0, 4. Find the matrix. Then find the matrix A. So therefore we can write here, bachcho, A is equal to 9 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 1, 3. ये मैट्रिक्स को इधर ले लीजिए, 1, 2, minus 4, 0, 4. So A is equal to subtraction of two matrices of the same order. I can write this as 9 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2, 4 minus of minus 4, minus 2 minus 0, 1 minus 4, 3 minus 9. So A is equal to 9 minus 1, 8, minus 3, minus minus plus 4 plus 4, 8, minus 2, minus 3, minus 6. बच्चों एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, one more question. If matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then write A dash, where A dash is the transpose of matrix A. तो देखिए बच्चों, let us calculate here. A is equal to 1, 2 and 3. तो ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स बोले तो क्या है बच्चों? The matrix obtained by changing rows to column. ये जो रो है इसको कॉलम बनाना है, 1, 2 और 3. ए डैश मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, 1, 2, 3 into 1, 2, 3. So this is 1 by 3 मैट्रिक्स, 3 by 1 मैट्रिक्स. तो देखिए बच्चों, यहाँ पर नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स ऑफ फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स must be equal to number of rows of second matrix. Then only multiplication of two matrices is defined. So let us multiply. So row to column, that means 1 into 1. Sorry, this will be 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. So this is 1 plus 4 plus 9. This is equal to 14. Let us see question bachcho. If matrix x plus 3y, y 7 minus x 4, that matrix is equal to this matrix 4 minus 1 0 and 4, then find the values of x and y. So these two matrices have equality sign. This implies corresponding elements are same. That means x plus 3y is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 1, 7 minus x is equal to 0. तो यहाँ से हम लोग बच्चों x की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. x is equal to minus x is equal to minus 7. This implies x is equal to 7. So put x is equal to 7 here बच्चों. 7 plus 3y is equal to 4. 3y is equal to 4 minus 7. 3y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3 upon 3. Y is equal to minus 1. So therefore, required values we can say that x is equal to 7 and y is equal to. चलिए बच्चों एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. If A is equal to Aij is a matrix whose elements are given, 2 3 minus 5 1 4 9 0 7 minus 2. B matrix is equal to Bij 2 1 minus 1 minus 3 4 4 1 5 2. Then find the sum of A22 plus B21. So let us write बच्चों A22 इसका मतलब क्या है? Element of first matrix in second row and second column. देखिए first row second row तो ये A21 A22 is 4. उसके बाद में B21 is what बच्चों? That is the element in matrix P which lies in second row and first column. This is second row, first column minus. So therefore, what we have to calculate? A22 plus B21 is equal to 4 plus minus 3. This is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. So let us see one more important question, bachcho. If A is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha is a matrix, then for what value of alpha A is an identity matrix? We have to calculate value of alpha. So A is identity matrix if and only if A is equal to I2. A is equal to I2 का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? This is an identity matrix of order 2. So what is A here? Cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. That is equal to an identity matrix of order 2 1 0 0 1. So this implies बच्चों cos alpha is equal to 1. So this implies cos 0 is equal to 1. So this implies cos alpha is equal to 1, cos 0 is equal to 1. This implies alpha is equal to 0. So that is our answer. So let us see one more important question. If product of these two matrices is equal to this matrix, then find the value of K. So let us find which 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 5 is equal to 7, 11, K, 20. So this implies row to column. So 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 5, 10, 3 into 3, 9 plus 4 into 2, 8, 3 into 1, 3 plus 4 into 5, 20. This is equal to 7, 11, K, 23. So this implies 7, 17, 11, 23. This is equal to 7, 11, K, 23. Now these two matrices of the same order are equal. So this implies equating corresponding elements. So K is equal to 17. So let us see one more important question, bachcho. Write a square matrix of order 2 which is both symmetric and skew symmetric. बच्चों symmetric matrix की definition में बताइए. Matrix is a square matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix transpose of A is equal to A. And a matrix is said to be skew symmetric matrix if transpose of A is equal to minus A. Okay, this is skew symmetric and this is symmetric matrix. Okay. Now we have to write a square matrix of order 2 which is both symmetric and skew symmetric. So we'll write here simple matrix which B is equal to or A is equal to 0 0 0. So if we take its transpose, is transpose of A is equal to 0 0 0 0. This can be written as minus into 0 0 0. And this is equal to minus. So therefore A is equal to 0 0 0 is Q symmetric matrix. So let us solve this question बच्चों. मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन दिया है, यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू हमको निकालना है. तो इक्वेटिंग करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स, so 2y is equal to minus 20. This implies y is equal to 7. Y is equal to minus 21 upon 7. This is minus 3. Okay. Now 2x minus 3y is equal to 11, equating these two elements. So 2x minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to 11. 2x plus 9 is equal to 11. 2x is equal to 11 minus 9. 2x is equal to 2. This implies x is equal to 2 upon 2. That is 1. So our answer is x is equal to 1. So let us solve one simple question, bachcho. It was also asked in examination. So given matrix Aij is of 2 by 2 matrix, whose elements are given by this equation. Aij is equal to I upon j. We have to find A12 element. So this implies I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. So therefore A12 is equal to I is 1 and j is 2. So this is our answer. So let us solve one more simple question बच्चों. Simplify cos theta. एक हम लोगों को ये मैट्रिक्स दिया है, तो यहाँ पर इसको हम लोगों को सिंप्लीफाई करना है. तो देखिए हम लोगों को इस एलिमेंट से cos थीटा से इस मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इसका मतलब इस एलिमेंट से इन चारों एलिमेंट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सिमिलरली sin थीटा से इन चारों एलिमेंट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना. So this implies I can write here cos square theta minus sin theta cos theta sin theta cos theta cos square theta प्लस sin थीटा से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए sin स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस sin थीटा cos थीटा sin थीटा cos थीटा और इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो sin स्क्वायर थीटा आएगा. Now these are two matrices of the same order, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. We can add these two matrices. This implies adding corresponding elements. It is sin square theta plus cos square theta. इसका एडिशन हो जाएगा बच्चों. sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. यहाँ पे minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. और ये दोनों का एडिशन हो जाएगा फिर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर। So this implies sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 0 आएगा, this will get cancelled, 0 आएगा, ये आएगा 1 आएगा. So which is identity matrix. So let us solve this one more simple question. What is our question? Transpose of A matrix is given and B matrix is given here. Well, we have to find transpose of A minus transpose of B. We have already given that transpose of it. We will calculate transpose of B. So transpose of B, what is transpose of given matrix? A matrix obtained by interchanging rows to column. तो इसका जो रो है बच्चों वो कॉलम कर दीजिए, -1 2 1, ये रो जो है वो कॉलम हो जाएगा 1 2 और 3. Now transpose of A minus transpose of B is equal to transpose of A क्या है हमारा 3 -1 0 4 2 1. तो ट्रांसपोज ऑफ B जो है ये है -1 2 1 1 2 और 1. So these two matrices are of the same order. This is 3 by 2 matrix, 3 by 2 matrix. Now we can subtract these two matrices. So this is 3 subtraction of corresponding. 3 minus of -1, 3 plus 1, 4 minus 1, -1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 3. So this is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 1. 4 minus 1 3, 0, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay students, let us see one more question. Find the value of x plus y using this equation. So let us solve this. Multiply this matrix by 2 inside the elements. देखिए बच्चों, मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इसका मतलब मैट्रिक्स के सभी एलिमेंट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो इट विल बी 2 6 0 2x plus y 0 1 2 5 6 1 8. So this implies now adding corresponding elements. It will be 2 plus y, 6 plus 0 is 6, 0 plus 1 1. This will be 2x plus 2. 5 6 1 8. Now equating corresponding elements. 2 plus y is equal to 5y. This implies y is equal to 5 minus 2, ये 3i. 2x plus 2 is equal to 8 आएगा बच्चों. This implies 2x is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, x is equal to 3 आएगा. So therefore x plus y is equal to 3 plus 3, it is 6. So let us solve one more important question. देखिए बच्चों, what is our question here? For what value of x is the matrix A a skew symmetric matrix? So that means we have been given this A is equal to minus A dash. means A is equal to transpose of negative of this matrix, we can say that. This is the equation. So let us calculate here transpose of right here. A is equal to, what is A matrix, bachcho? We'll write A matrix. 0 minus 1x 1 0 3 minus 2 3 0 is equal to minus transpose of this matrix लिखना है. So if we interchange rows to column, we get transpose of given matrix. So it will be 0 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 3 x 3 0. तो if we equate these, अभी इक्वेट नहीं करना है बच्चों, ये माइनस से इसको अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो 0 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 3 x 3 0. माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 0 1 माइनस माइनस 1 0 माइनस 3, इसको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए प्लस 2 माइनस 3 0. ठीक है बच्चों. So therefore we can say that equating now this x is equal to 2. So let us see one more question. So this is given matrix 3 by 3 matrix है बच्चों. whose elements are given by general element दिया है and write the value of a23. That means here a23 की वैल्यू निकालना है. This implies I is equal to 2 or j is equal to 3. So put values of I and j in this equation. So a23 is equal to 1 by 3 in bracket minus 3 into I means 2 plus 3. So 1 by 3 into minus 6 plus 3 mod of 1 by 3 into minus 3. 1 by 3 into mod of minus 3 is plus. This 3 3 will get cancelled. This is equal to 1. That is a23 element is equal to 1. So if A is a square matrix and determinant of A is 2, then write the value of determinant of A into A dash. Here determinant of transpose of A dash is the transpose of matrix A. So let us solve this question. So determinant of A dash, this can be written as determinant of A into determinant of A dash. ठीक है बच्चों. So this is equal to determinant of A into this transpose of A by taking determinant is this is equal to, so this is equal to 2 square over 4.